I reach a point in my life now where fake page and tell me about man, no bother me. If my man sleep at 5 days a week, I'm going to see him disappear for 2 a film blood clot business. You see, once him do what him do for me, I'm alright. No girl no program me. No friend no program me. No girl no tell me what to do. No friend no tell me what to do. Because I find out about blood clot friend. No found no life mucky and shaking a blood clot and no not talk. You just want to run up in a mind. So I'm not business about girl. I'm not business about long-term friendship. Anytime it done. Me used to hold on for long-term friendship. Me not hold on for long-term friendship. Me hold on for who ride with me now. And any day the wheel them drop off, you go suck your mother, you stop ride. I'm going to ride with who ride with me. And that's something there, I'm going to learn from TikTok. Me I ride with who ride with me. Any, I could have known you have 20 blood clot years and you cross me, I'm done with you. I have no time for one long friendship with nobody or no short friendship. The moment I find out, say, you know, with me, bitch, go and lick out your mother. Argument done. I love that we are well on upon some people who are real crosses in our blood clot life. And we are well on upon some friendship because we used to go to primary school and basic school. And then people are not like, because guess what? We come up on the same road, but we do different things. I never tell no fun for waste out for no one. I never tell no fun for fuck out for no one. I never tell no fun for ungrateful. I never tell no fun for not treat people blood clot good. So me and Uno will not be the same. So when you see some people are strive by goodness and they aren't do it for them. When you did reach a foreign and I hype on people and go on like someone better than people. You never hear the terms 7-day rise and 7-day fall. Anytime I fall enough for long, because somebody always did it to carry me up. When I come and find my work like a blood clot slave. Work. And what do you tell you this? I never spend a Christmas on my yard. I never ever spend a Christmas on my yard till what do you? 2 years now. At the first I ever spend Christmas when I pitney them. What do you when I come to Jamaica? And what do you when my mother come to America come look for me? All of my ears and my dad foreign and send me at work. I don't know what a Christmas feel like when me pitney them. Me don't know what New Year's feel like when me pitney them. Me don't know what Thanksgiving feel like when my blood clot pitney them. So who the fuck is some little idiot for come over here, come tell me what to do? My work mine, me never fuck out mine. And that's why none of you can find a fuck story for me. The only thing you can come chat about, K mine man and this and that. I know what my man do for me, so anything at all me have to do for me, I have to do. Because we tell ourselves so it's a team. And anytime the team work done, me move the fuck on and find the next team. Because the whole under the phone, man. Every single one I get them on this right now, we say they love them, man. If your man do for you, it only fear you do back for blood clot. Him a 7 day, 7. Me know a man where we find a 0. And when them reach 100, they're right beside them and hit 100 with them. No fun no know nothing about loyalty. No fun no know nothing about kindness. No fun no know nothing about nothing. You just a live and a fuck. Me is not a girl who just live and fuck. Me is a family blood clot girl. So you say anything with me, any man with me have, me I go do family things with my blood clot man. Earth to no become me and I want